Hey, what's going on? So, Maria, I wanted to thank you today for hosting our workshop and letting me be a part of it to share networking strategies and systems for success. For everybody that attended, I definitely thank you for your time. Hopefully, you learned some new strategies to implement from Maria, and hopefully, you learned some new ways to use CRMs to be more efficient and effective in your networking. And we had such a good time that me and Maria are definitely going to be thinking about what types of workshops to present to people in the future so we could continue to provide value to people. And also stay tuned also for those people that have registered, you will get an email asking for your feedback. Basically, would you like, what can be improved, and what topic would you like to learn about in the future? Because we're all about providing value so that people can continue to grow and succeed. And that's really the goal. I'm so happy that I found my purpose in what I do in terms of creating CRMs and making people's lives more efficient. So it frees up more time for them to focus on their business or to focus more time on their family and friends or to just have free time to do absolutely nothing. Well, I appreciate your time. And Maria, thank you again for showing up and doing your thing, making an effective presentation along with me helping you and supporting you so that we can both succeed and thrive in our respective businesses. Peace, and I'll talk to you later.